Hi viewers, everyone, good morning. So I'm still on bed right now, and I just felt like recording
Driving down the
what I do in a
interstate,
day.
I've never felt so far away. Leaving hardly hurts at all. I'm sorry that I never called. Often I get exhausted, trying regardless to be enough. Is it selfish not to be selfless when all I can help is to open up? I'll be better than I was before, despite every text of yours ignored. Will you call me still just to hear my voice? I swear, always I'll care. Flipping through our photographs, those moments never seem to last. Listening to self-control, those feelings that you'll never
嗨，他们能拿到手的声音，
leave me.
手
It's
的音，
never
手的音的声
easy.
音。
I've had a lifetime to be alone. If you let me, when it gets heavy, no one ever let